So part of what I need to do to take this engine out is to remove these drive shafts from the transmission. But as you can see, this one has had a problem because something's happened to this suspension to get kicked up a couple millimeters, and it's interfering with this CV boot. And you can see, I don't know, you can just hear, now it's not doing anything, but you can see how much it wiggles. You can hear that, that's not good. It's not supposed to do that. And these raft mounting plates are bent. So, since I have to pull out the drive shaft anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and remove the suspension and try to fix that. I think the under tray is a little bent as well, so I'm going to need to get the under tray to come down a little bit here, flatten these guys back out, see how the bushings are, and then this kind of cross member, hopefully it's just reattaching it, that it's not bent, but might need to work on that too, or replace it. So that's kind of what I know about. This thing's bent too. I don't know why. But it looks like with that pushed up, it's kind of pushed these things down. Anyways, it's all out of whack on the geometry, so try to tweak that back up. But of course I got it up on jacks, so in order to get enough resistance to take this guy off, I'm going to have to put the wheels back on. I unpeened this, and next is to put the wheels on and see if I can get it loose. I know it's not great light, but you can see how it's canted. It's just not looking great on there. So yeah, gotta get that taken care of. Okay, we're getting close. Got that brake caliper out of the way, hang in there. And got this drive shaft hanging, and so now I need to knock that free. But of course you'll remember that my CV boot was totally ripped, so it was trying to fall apart. That drive shaft was just almost falling out of there, so I've duct taped that whole thing so that hopefully it stays together. And now I think I'm going to be able to actually whack at it and see if I can get it. Don't you love it when a plan comes together? Oh, this thing finally came off. I had to get the car a lot higher so I could get leverage to actually whack it. You can see it just came off. And oh yeah. Okay, alright. Well, I don't know what I'm going to do with this now. Alright. I gotta find something to do with it. But it's awesome to get it off. Alright, next one. Alright, success on this side too. Getting this guy out. Already drained the gearbox, so that's why there's no oil leaking out. But I supported this with a string, but it's not long enough, so I'm going to have to redo that to get enough clearance to pull that drive shaft all the way out. But other than that, the only thing left is to take this hood off tomorrow, and then we're pulling it. Sweet! Alright, we finally made it. It's lift day. You pumped? I'm pumped. Yeah, so Last night we got that out. It just barely sticks out. I think it's limited here by this bottom ball joint. And but it's out technically. So now I'm just gonna lubricate these mounting points and then take off the hood and then get to work. Okay, I got all the back ones out except for this guy right there. It's loose. I'm having a hard time getting to it. So hopefully I can get to that. And then I think it's onto the front and then the side. Okay. Got this puppy free. Whew. Just one more. That is not good. I've been lifting the engine and didn't realize this. That is not good at all. Oh man. Got that last one free. What a monster. Oh man. But yeah, now she's banging up on everything. Oof. I'm trying not to look. But totally free. Yeah. Okay. Now I gotta go back over my list and see what I missed. Oh look, this is attached. No, it's just, oh goodness. Okay, that'll be fun. Okay, it's just, I can't even see what's going on there. Alright, I'm gonna have to go slow on this. Things are looking clean and clear so far. Everything clear on this side. Except so for this electrical thing, looks like there's a harness that's bolted to that I need to loosen. Even though the cord is loose, it'll get caught up here. And the other thing was, there's another wire for the alternator that I couldn't see before. But, this guy. So I need to disconnect that. Maybe it's the alternator, I think. This is really happening. I think I got it past the biggest hump. This guy. And managed to not hit the AC lines. Yeah. Like, this last, yeah, this thing is clear. This thing really is. Alright, let's lift this puppy up. No doubt about, she is out. Ooh, and you can see, I'm gonna have fun cleaning up all this stuff. Yup. Oh yeah. Good stuff in there. And here she is. You can see how great this belt is. Yeah, a lot of cleaning to do. Yep. But that's the fun of it.